In this section, you will know main preferences that make SketchUp easier. Number 1. To orbit and move through workspace and avoid lagging in large detailed models. For example, if I orbit like this, find orbit has a little lagging. To avoid this, open Styles dialog, Tray 2, then from Edit, uncheck Profiles. Find that orbiting is more smooth, and this will be more clear when model is bigger. Second, use the perspective view during modeling process, not the parallel projection. To take a look at the difference, go Camera menu, then select Parallel Projection. So sometimes we need this view, for example when prepare to export 2D plans or elevations. But orbiting and transition in this view not smooth. So it's very effective to use perspective view to orbit smoothly during modeling process. The third, Field of View. From Camera menu, choose Field of View. Here, find that its value 35 degrees, and it's preferable to keep Field of View on 35 degrees. Sometimes we change it in case like orbiting in narrow rooms, but ideal value is 35 degrees. After that, moving to the working file, course project. To see some workspace preferences, we will go to Window menu, then select Preferences. Workspace is the last one. And here is the tool palette. And this workspace. Tool palette to adjust size of tool icons or tool buttons. So if I unchecked it, then click OK, the tool buttons will be smaller like this. So you can use this option if there are a lot of plugins and tools, and you want to view its toolbars on the interface. Second part is Workspace, and this option for reset the interface to the default. In case we arranged the interface in a specific way and we want to back to the default interface. In this case, we will click on it and press OK. The tools buttons back to the default size.